Good day. In this video, we're going to use the tan chord theorem to solve a problem. In this rider, they're asking us to find the size of angle C in terms of x and y. So they want that size of that angle. The information that they usually write above or next to a sketch like this are the keys to the riddle. One of the things they said is they gave us that the tangent BC is given. There is my tangent, there is my chord, so the angle over here will be equal to the angle over there. That's the tan chord theorem. There's no other tangent theorem that will apply here. Next I wrote, ED is produced to C. So this line, produced, that just means this is a straight line. They also said AB is parallel to EC. That is the two red lines, and I always advise people to put on extra arrows on that line. It forces you to remember that they are parallel. And it also tells you that that part is also still parallel, not just that part over there. Because the lines are parallel, alternate angles will kick in, over here, over there. Because the lines are parallel, your co-interior angles will also be supplementary, meaning these two will add up to 180, and so on. Then they said angle B1 is X, they wrote it in for us there, and angle A1 is Y, they wrote it in for us there. Although they ask us to work out the size of angle C, we don't start there. We take these X and Y's that we see, and we see where we can move them using geometric reasoning. And then we see how we can get to the answer RC. Here is but one way to answer this problem. I started by saying angle B1 over there is equal to X that was given to us, and I make sure it's written in there. Next I wrote angle FDE is equal to X. Now reason is angles in the same segment. So that angle is equal to that angle over there. Next we wrote angle FDE, the one we just mentioned, is equal to A2 up there, equal to X. Reason being alternate angles, AB parallel to ED. There's my alternate angles, they are equal. Angle A1 is Y, that was given to us. Next I wrote that angle B2 over there is equal to A1 plus A2 over there because of the tan BC chord BE. Looking at the picture, that angle over there is equal to that angle over there. There's my tangent, there's my chord, and that angle is equal to the angle opposite that chord. And now we have a size, X plus Y. And remember to write it in on the sketch every time. Then I wrote angle ABC plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees, co-interior angles. There's the two parallel lines. That purple dot plus that purple dot will add up to 180 because of co-interior angles between the two parallel lines. I'm using different ways of writing every time to show you how you could write it. So the size of C will then be 180 minus the ABC. Now there in ABC that, there's an X, another X, and a Y. So you go 180 minus and you add those together. Then our final answer to this question is angle C is 180 minus 2x minus y. They asked us to find the size of C in terms of x and y. Please stop the video and get your brain around this. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the geometry.